Good morning, beautiful people. Bonjour, Paris. Mag-work po tayo ngayon. Time check. It's 7:45 a.m. in Paris. Okay. Let's work, guys. And the temperature is 6 degrees, so it's not cold, or I mean a bit cold, but in the afternoon 13, 14, 15 degrees. So yes, pasok po natin ngayon, guys. Look, pasok po na. Look at that beautiful flowers. Yan po ay ang basurero. Look at this. This is Paris, guys. Ginawang basurahan yung yung gilid ng my god. This is really Paris. Tingnan mo yan, guys. Oh. Nice. Beautiful. So pretty. Yan po ang Paris ngayong umaga. Okay. Guys, yung bus station ng Roda, bus 52 and 70 going to my place. That's the bus 52. Yan. Direction Opera. Ito po ang park ng mga kids. Mamaya puno-puno na yan ng bata. Pinuksan na ni Musyo. I don't know kung anong flowers. Guys, comment down below kung anong flowers yan. Ayun yung bus 70 going to my place. Yan. Bus 70. Yay. Okay. Later or sa mga susunod na araw, guys, itutur ko kayo sa maliit kong kwarto at sasabihin ko sa iyo yung price, tapos yung binabayaran ko monthly. Yeah. Tapos yung mga cost of living here, explain ko sa inyo kung magkano yung daily expense, weekly expense. Sa akin lang po yun, ha. Ako lang, sa akin lang po kung magkano. Okay, guys, bye for now. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please. Mwah.